The Huawei Nova 14i is a practical rethink of what a mid-range phone should be. It leans into a big screen and a giant battery while keeping the look and feel refined. For anyone who values endurance and straightforward design, this is a phone worth watching. A glossy glass back wraps around a large circular camera housing, and the finish reflects light without feeling showy. You can choose between blue and black. Despite the big battery inside, it does not feel clumsy. Huawei added an X button on the side, which quickly becomes useful. Tap it to pull up widgets, long press to open an app you use all the time. It is one of those small details that saves time. The display is a 6.95-inch Full HD plus LCD with a 90 Hz refresh rate and a fast touch sampling rate. It reads well for long sessions of scrolling and streaming. Huawei kept the camera setup simple and sensible. The main sensor is 50 megapixels supported by a 2-megapixel depth lens. Daylight shots are detailed and colors stay true, without that overcooked look you see on some budget phones. The 8-megapixel front camera sits in a pill notch and handles selfies and video calls with steady results. The Nova 14i runs on a Snapdragon 680 with 8 GB of RAM and storage options up to 256 gigs. In everyday use, it feels smooth. Apps open quickly, multitasking is reliable, and light games run without stutter. EMUI 14.2 brings useful refinements and a playful touch with the new Emoji Theme, which lets you set favorite emojis as wallpapers. A 10-minute top-up gives you hours of screen time, so short charging stops keep you going through the day. The Huawei Nova 14 does not try to impress with flash. It focuses on the essentials and does them well. The design feels premium for the price, the screen is large and comfortable, the camera is quietly capable, and the battery simply endures. If you want a dependable daily phone that lasts, the Nova 14i is a smart, sensible choice.